Day 2 in Boston. We're getting ready to head out now. We're going to a little cafe here down the street to do a little bit of studying because Dina's a lawyer and she has some stuff to do, and I have an exam coming up to study for. So just wanted to get on here and let you guys know what we're up to today. We're gonna be vlogging out there too, so you guys can check that out. But I wanted to show you guys the view of this apartment. It is so amazing. Look at that, oh my God. So excited to finally get to go to Primark. I have never been. I've heard so many good things though. So I'm really excited. This is my cousin. Hello. This is my sister, Dean. Get out. Last day in Boston. We're just walking to go have some breakfast and then we are headed to the airport. So that's it, trip is done. We just woke up, that's why I look like this. That's why we all look like this.
Hi!
Tell them your name and what you do.
I'm Christina.
What you're good for.
I don't really know. I'm not good for much, but
Sorry, Christy.
we're in the Boston Garden right now. Flip it around so they can see the beautiful scenery around
I
us.
took some footage, yeah.
Okay.
Look how pretty.
It's
Christy,
beautiful.
tell us about it. Like,
Okay, the Boston Common and the Boston Garden are two natural parks located in the middle of downtown Boston. It's beautiful because it makes you feel like you're not in a city when you still are. It's like very tranquil, very calm. In the summertime, this place is pretty busy. They have swan boats that actually go up and down this lake here, and it's like a very touristy thing to do in the summer in Boston. At the other end of the garden, we have Newbury Street, which is where you can find all your high-end shopping. Yeah, pretty much all
I like
that.
it.
You could see the John Hancock Tower from here. It's really, really foggy today, though. It's cool. Don't you like that?